Assalamu alaikum. This video is for class 5 science, and today we are going to learn about air pollution. We have learned about land pollution in our last class, but today in day 10 we are going to learn about air pollution, the second kind of pollution. So firstly I'm going to read this, listen to me carefully. After that I will explain it to you. Air pollution. You have learned that air is a mixture of gases. Any human activity that causes disturbance in this composition of gases can create air pollution. Air pollution is the contamination of air by toxic substances. Let's see the causes. Some of the main causes of air pollution are smoke from traffic and the burning of fossil fuels, such as coal, gas, and oil. Smoke from factories and industries makes the air impure. Natural disasters like wildfires and volcanic eruptions are also responsible for causing pollution in the air. Effects. Air pollution is harmful for human health. Breathing in polluted air can cause many breathing disorders, such as asthma and bronchitis. You know that there is a protective layer in our atmosphere known as the ozone layer. Air pollution is damaging the ozone layer, which protects the earth from the harmful rays of the sun. Let's explain this. Firstly, I'm going to tell you what is air pollution. So, as we all know that air is composed by the mixture of gases. Air has lots of gases in it. Pollution in form of gas like smoke mixed with the air, and we breathe in the air. We have air around us. Our environment is full of air. So if the air is polluted, so that means our environment is polluted and it is affecting on us in a very harmful way. So let's see the causes. There are two sources of causes of air pollution. One is from human activity and the other is because of natural disasters. So firstly, check the human activity, what we are doing against air pollution. So smoke is the gaseous state. So in the form of smoke, the pollution is mixing with the air. So from where smoke is coming? From our traffic, from the engine of our vehicles. So traffic smoke and burning of fossil fuels means burning of our waste, coals, gas and oil. Burning of our waste, coals, gas and oil. These all are done in the factories and in our site areas. So these all are the human activities which are responsible for the smoke, polluted smoke, and that smoke is mixed with the gases which are present in the air, so our air became very polluted. So we are the responsible in this way. And the other source is natural disaster, means wildfires and volcanic eruption. That also has smoky polluted smoke. So that is why from naturally our air became very polluted, and this is the also one cause which create pollution in the air. Now let's see the effects. What happened with the polluted air? If we are breathing in the polluted air, the air is polluted. So what happened with us? So it is very harmful for our health because we breathe in the air. When we breathe in, so the air comes in our body and all the polluted particles, all the polluted gases come with that air. We breathe all this pollution and all these germs in our body, and it affect on our lungs and it affect on our health, and it creates lots of diseases. How? Like asthma and bronchitis. Bronchitis is the disease which blocks our nose, and thick mucus is a disease which blocks our nose, and thick mucus is deposit on our nose, and it really make us very painful for taking breath in, and it blocks our throat also. So this is the disease, and the second disease is asthma, means there is a problem while taking breath in or out. So these two breath diseases happen with this air pollution. And the second thing which is affected by the air pollution is ozone layer. Ozone layer is the layer which gives protection our earth from the harmful rays of sun. Sun has some harmful rays which directly come in the earth, so it will be very harmful for our earth. So this is the protection layer, and these polluted air affect that layer. So if the air is polluted, so that layer will be damaged, and one day the sun rays will not be blocked by that layer, and it will be harmful for our whole entire earth. So we should reduce air pollution and do some important steps, take some important steps for reducing it. I hope you will understand. Thank you.